Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set emotional reset reminders. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to reset your emotional reminders, or you want to set emotional reset reminders, you can simply use technology to prompt you to engage in a brief self-care or mindfulness activity throughout your day. You can simply use application or websites that help you identify the quick activities that help you pause, process emotions, and regain balance. Your menu can include options for your mind, body, and surrounding. You can simply reset your mind using the deep breathing, journaling, name your feeling, or by using positive affirmations. You can also do this for your bodies. You can stretch, move around, and do sensory grounding or keep yourself hydrated. So you can also set up reminders on your device like Google Calendars or Apple Reminders to prompt these actions to specific times or intervals. This will help you get a specific time to reset your emotional stress or give you a break. So this is how you can simply set emotional reset reminders. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.